Luck is a function of probability. If you flipped a coin and called it wrong, would you call yourself unlucky? Of course not, because you know a coin flip is simply 50-50 probability. But what if you could win $1 million correctly calling the coin flip? Call the flip wrong, and I guarantee you would curse yourself unlucky for the rest of your life, even though the 50-50 probability never changed. You see, the bigger the outcome of the behavior or action, the more luck will be perceived or felt. Now let's translate this to life itself and how you can get lucky over and over again. It happens two ways. Number one, work within an entrepreneurial business system that has large outcomes or payouts. This is done by following the sense framework as revealed in the Millionaire Fastlane and Unscripted. Then if you get a big payout, the reward isn't dinner and a movie, you change your life. Think of it this way. If a lottery had 500-to-1 odds and you could play for the top prize of either $10,000 or $10 million, which would you choose? Bottom line, play in sandboxes that have scalable, unlimited variables because that creates big outcome probabilities. Number two, the other way to manipulate probability is through consistent behavior. This is simply repeated action into a sense business with big outcome odds. Every action you take increases your probability, and as it increases, so do your odds of, quote, getting lucky. Think of it this way. All of your decisions in life, from career to diet to relationships, creates a self-funded gumball machine with a variety of colored gumballs inside. Each of those colored gumballs represents an outcome, a result, or a consequence. Action or behavior is like depositing a coin into the machine where a gumball pops out. A white gumball means nothing. No result, no outcome, no consequence. An orange gumball is a caution, a feedback, a piece of information that should be evaluated. A red gumball is a catastrophic mistake, like driving drunk or losing your entire paycheck at the casino. A gold gumball is a big win. You land a huge contract, you sell your company for millions, or a big influencer shares your video. Now the key to winning gold gumballs and hence winning life and being labeled lucky is to make sure your gumball machine has gold gumballs. Most of the world is playing with machines that have no golds and too many reds. The only way you get gold into your machine is to play in the right system with the right odds. And no, the lottery is not the right system. Number two, the more coins or action you put into the machine, the more gumballs pop out. While most of them will be white or orange, your odds of hitting a gold skyrocket. Yes, you move probability, and eventually you get lucky. So let me ask you, when you're cranking your action out into the world, do you have any chance of hitting gold?